Hey kids, so today we are going to learn how to write small cursive letters in 4-line copy. Okay, so are you all ready? So here you can see there are 4 lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will start from third line, right? We will start from third line. So there are few rules to write cursive letters. The first rule is you are not supposed to pick up the pencil while finishing the letter. And the second rule is you have to start from third line. You have to start from third line. And the last and very important rule, we will write all the letters from slant line. Okay? We will write all the letters from slant line. So here we go. Let's start. So first we are going to write A. So make slant line, curve and loop. Slant line, curve and loop. Now move on the B letter. Go up, come down and make a curve and loop. Okay. Now again slant line and a beautiful curve. It's C. Slant line, curve, go up, come down and it's D. Again slant line and beautiful curve. It's E. Go full up, full down and lock it. And it's F. You have to touch both the pink lines to make F. It's G. So you can touch the bottom red line, pink line. Okay? Nice. Now it's H. Go up, come down and make a loop. It's I. It's very nice. Now you can make J and K for you can go up, come down and you can make up in both the black lines. Okay? L, yes, M, N, very good, O, P. As you can see, both F and P are touching pink lines. Okay, ऊपर की या नीचे की pink lines को दोनों letters touch कर रहे हैं. So you have to make like this. Okay, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and the last one is Z. So these are the letters from A to Z. Regular practice will make your writing beautiful and it will help you to write cursive letters little fast. Okay? So do practice every day and we will meet in next video. Bye bye everybody. Have a good day.